Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. Great to have you here once again. We're live here every morning for the opening and closing bell. Live trades all day with a wonderful community, a family of people that join us here live every day. Catch us on our home of the Day Trader, which is of course on YouTube. The links are all below wherever you're watching me now or wherever you're listening to me now on a podcast. We are live on YouTube and over 22 different platforms as well. And TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, we're absolutely everywhere. So please do come and join us on YouTube every morning for the opening and closing bell. Everything you see here is real. Everything is my own money. We don't influence the market at all. We are just a bunch of traders supporting each other. I'm not a financial advisor. I am a regular person. In fact, I'm the world piano man. I'm a musician, entertainer, live every day in my studio. And by day, I trade and invest in the future to give myself a secure future. And boy, it's been successful. From $5,000 up to 58, we've just dropped back now to 56. You're watching it live on the screen. Let me get right over now to the chart. You can see, let's have a look at the main portfolio. There you go. You can see now we are up in the last hour, $56,100 right now. Absolutely fantastic. So it's looking good. We've got a lot of breaking news today, so stick around with the show. Keep on tuning into us, and of course, on this show, we don't sell you anything. We actually give away free money. I do it all the time. I love helping people. I give cash back for Amazon. I give free stocks away. I give $10 when you sign up to eTORO. All kinds of great things by being a member of this, by being a member of my Day Trader family. Okay, let's get straight into it and let's see who's here with me this morning. Let's look on my trading screen. Here we go. Go across the portfolio, and as you can see, we're just pretty flat at the moment. Tesla is up 2.5% this morning. Wonderful stuff. Rivian has opened down this morning 4%, so this is still the decline. So if you're looking to get into Rivian now, this is now starting to make some kind of sense. Virgin Galactic is up this morning. GGPI is up 2% this morning. Lucid is down 4%. Bit of a sell-off this morning. People taking profits. But let's go over to the iPhone and you'll see look, we've got Apple pumping, of course. We're talking about the buy the rumor, sell the news. We've got some information about Apple coming out now. It's more than a rumor right now. Let me share with you what I'm seeing here. If I go over to this page here, I'll actually share with you. Look at this. We're actually now seeing the rumor of a potential partnership between Lucid Motors and Apple. It's really coming all over the place now. Wherever you look, you find this information. So very exciting. As you can see, Apple is up. I'm not surprised that other stocks can be down because people are selling out, taking profits, and then they'll buy back in again. That's how this whole thing works. All right, let's go back over to looking at Lucid. As you can see, we're just dropping back right now at the moment on the pre-market. Hood is up today 0.9. Amazon is up 0.15. Harpoon Therapeutics is flat. Always is this time of the day. Okay, so we're looking good. If you're over there on TikTok, hit the profile link, come into YouTube and join us. You can't see anything there on TikTok, just my head and my voice. If you're listening to us, of course, on podcasts right now, then this information is purely audio, but all the links will be below, and join us every day on YouTube. All right, let's bring our traders in. We've got people already in now. If it's your first time, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Set notifications to all so you'll be notified when I bring breaking news throughout the day. And I do bring breaking news from time to time, so make sure you've rung the bell and set notifications to all. You don't want to miss out on some of the great opportunities that present themselves at any given moment. Okay, and give us a thumbs up. We've got just 7 watching now. We've just started. Early in the morning, here we go, moving up now to 11. Smash the like button. There we go, everybody. Thank you very much indeed. Let's bring in our traders this morning. Here's Peter Brazier. Morning, just getting ready to go out. Can't stay for long. Peter, it's lovely to have you here. Thanks for supporting us as you do, and thanks for liking the videos. I can see you have. Paul, good morning to you. Yo, he says. Balaser is here. Hi, all. Wonderful stuff. Hello, all, from Julius Caesar. You all got a great tip. From Julius Caesar. That was Shopify. Shall we have a look at that? Bill is driving. There we go. Bill's driving. Drive safely. Bill's got me on his car system, I would imagine. All right, let's have a quick look at Shopify. We were given a top tip here a couple of days ago that this would rise, and Julius Caesar was right. There it goes, up again today. So did you buy in? Did you take this tip? It was given to you. It was presented to you. Of course, it's not financial advice, but this is from experience. This is from people who are doing it all the time. And we are not manipulating the system at all. We're just trying to help people, right? We don't charge for this information. We just share it. And that's why it's real and it's the best. There you go. Shopify is actually up. We're going to keep that in our thoughts right there. We're going to move that over to there. So we've got that available. Good stuff. All right, let's look at Rivian now, dropping off this morning as I'm down 9% now. I bought the dips. I will be buying more of the dips as it gets lower. But my portfolio right now doesn't really have any money in it. In fact, 25 bucks. If I was going to do anything with Rivian today, I would have to sell some stock right now. So where would that stock come from? Well, Tesla is up at the moment. I could sell a share of Tesla, made a lot of money on Tesla, and buy a bit more there. That's not a bad idea. I wonder if I should do that right now. We're up very, very nicely here this morning. That's not a, I'm just looking at that now. Should I sell at what we are? 1-1. Yeah, I'm up 2% again this morning. Might sell and then buy it back later on. Yeah, let's have a look at that. Let's see if I can sell one share of Tesla. So sell one share. Just one, that'll give me a nice bit of money. And let's have a look at it. Let's go here. Limit order, because we're in the early hours, the pre-market. So I'm going to have to set one limit price. So I want to sell it for 1,100. It doesn't matter. It's just making sure the sell goes through, because we're 1167 now. So 1,100. Sell one share. Good for the day. Review order. Let's see if I can get myself some money this morning. Here we go. Let me just go over to my iPhone as I punch in the code. Here we go. This is now extra security, so obviously I can't share that on the screen with you. Okay, just making that trade now. Whoops, a daisy. Just pressed the wrong button there. Bring you back on the screen. Okay, so let's refresh that now. Let's have a look. Yeah, we've managed to sell one share. That's good. We've made some money this morning, and let's have a look right now. So let's go over to Rivian and have a look this morning. So we're able to buy a dip now. Let's have a look. How low will this go? Let's have a look. We could buy this now. We're down 10%. I've got a Tesla and Amazon flagged for this week. Yes, indeed. Thank you for sharing that. Let me bring that up on the screen for you. Okay. Let me now go over to Rivian and look at we're dropping down 4% now. So if I buy some Rivian this morning, let's have a look at it. I've now got in my portfolio, we've now got $1,100. Okay, that's very, very nice. Just made that extra money. Let's go over to Rivian right now and make a purchase here. We're down 10% at the moment, and we've got a nice drop. It's dropping back. So if I buy 14, that would half my, but that would be, let me have a look at that right now. Put 14 in there. If I put 14 in there, that's going to cost me too much. I don't want to spend that much money. If I buy 8 shares perhaps, 8 shares, yeah, okay, let's have a look at that and set a limit order so it will go through 122. Review order, and let's have a look. I've got an order for 8 at 976. Buy. There we go. Let me go over to this screen a minute. There we go. I just have to enter my code. Don't want to share that on the screen, of course. Okay, here we go. Done. Okay, that's now done. Let's go back over to this now. We should see the screen refresh. My average will come down. We're at 14 shares. If we share that with you now, and that will come down to -9, we'll drop to about minus, hasn't gone through yet, it doesn't look like it. Let's have a look. Oh, it's placed. It's not happened yet. Let's see here, it's placed. It's not actually happened yet. I think I know why. I didn't put it in the extended hours, so I need to do that again. Oh, there we go. No, I thought I'd gone through then. 122, allow in extended hours, review order, 8, buy, done. We're just waiting, it hasn't gone through yet. We're just waiting for that one to go through. If you've just joined us, smash the like button and subscribe and ring the bell. That would be absolutely wonderful if you wouldn't mind doing that. Thank you very much. We just made a trade here this morning. We're waiting for the order to go through. It's placed at 122. If I look at it here, Rivian limit buy, good for the day. 122.8. That'll bring my average down. Let's have a look at my portfolio right now. So that money is still there because it's not been ordered yet. 1,190. Shopify is now moving up as we told it would. Tesla just dropped back, so I just managed to take the cream off the top a little bit there. Rivian is dropping back and it's still going down. That's good for me. I'll get a little bit more. I think I know why I set the limit price too low. That's what I've done there. But you never know, I might get it. I should have set it 1, 2, 3. But as we're still going down, I might even get a better deal. So let's have a look at it now. 1, 2, 2. If it goes, it needs to go down by about another 30 cents. There needs to be a little bit of a gap. We've got 15 minutes before the bell goes. Let's see what happens. I actually made a mistake there. I should have set it slightly higher so it would have gone through. This could pop back up again before I get it, but we'll see what happens. Let's see if it can go any lower. What's Nvidia looking like pre-market, Martin? Let's have a quick look. Let's have a little look. Nvidia. This is another one that's rumored to. Oh, there we go, up 2% this morning. Yeah, Nvidia's looking good as well. Very, very good. Another stock if you're interested in. Nvidia is looking very, very good as well. So keep your eye on that one. Yeah, thank you very much for Julius Caesar to bring that up to us. Riven just popping up slightly. There we go. I didn't manage to get that. I set it too high. I shouldn't have done that. I made a slight mistake. I should have put 1, 2, 3. I'd have got that. I could still do it. I could cancel the order and do it. See if it would go any lower. But you never know. Should I try? Should I leave it at 122? See what happens? Yeah, why not? Let's go for a better deal. Okay, if you just joined us, click subscribe and ring the bell and smash the like button. We've got 13 likes now. We average 20 likes a day on the show. Now, we used to average 15. Good morning to all. John Brunette, there he is. Wonderful stuff. Thank you, John. Let's bring John and Dave Mottram as well. Dave Mottram is here and John Brunette is here. If you're over there on TikTok, you're missing everything. You can't see anything. You need to be here on YouTube to watch the live show. You can hear me, but you can't actually see anything. If you're watching us on a podcast, you know that we're trading live right now. And look in the links below and you'll see that you can come and join us live and see the trading screens. But welcome all our listeners who are listening to us on the radio. It's nice to have you here. We're looking at Tesla this morning, which is up 2.46. I just took one share off the top, put in my buying power, gave myself $1,100 to spend, and look at buying into Rivian. The price has been dropping considerably, as you can see, over the past week. From that huge pop we had. It could come significantly lower as well, but I'm comfortable now getting in because I know where the company's going. I've made money on the way up, so basically I'm getting free shares anyway at this point. And I've got an order for 122. See what happens. Morning or afternoon, is it here? It is here in Scotland. Morning, Sean McGurk. Wonderful to have you here. Yes, it's morning here in Texas, and it's, of course, afternoon over there in Bonnie, Scotland. And it looks like we're just popping up slightly. I might not get this 122, but we shall see. I think Rivian's going to continue to drop anyway, so I'm not really that overly concerned. We could have a look at Apple as well. Today, we're up 0.69. This is now rumored to be linking with Lucid. I'll share with you the information that I found. The rumor of a potential partnership between Lucid Motors and Apple may have some substance to it after all, as you can see there. Lucid Motors, the Saudi-backed manufacturer of luxury electric vehicles, has remained the subject of a persistent rumor over the past couple of weeks. While the initial premise was flimsy at best, a decent development has added much needed credibility to the rumor. So there you go. So what do you think? Is it about to happen? Well, only time will tell. Remember the golden rule: buy the rumor, sell the news. It's the rumor that's pumping the stock right now. Shopify, you heard it first here from Julius Caesar. We've got just 10 minutes to go before the bell goes. So bear with us just 10 seconds. Okay, we're back in the hot seat. Whoops, just made a slight adjustment there to the light at one side. Okay, now we are looking this morning to see if we can get. I had a nice pop from Tesla this morning, so I just took one share off the top. I'm trying to buy Rivian, catch the dip. I set an order at 122, so it'll need to be like 121.5, somewhere around there before it does the order. Let's see if it does. So it'll bring my average down if it does, from probably 9.79, as you can see on the screen, to somewhere around about the 6. Probably somewhere around about the 6, I would imagine, which is not bad. And let's see if it happens. We've got just 8 minutes to go before the bell goes, and who knows? Oops, dropping down. There we go, 122.06. I could adjust that, and maybe buy 2 or 3 and then watch it go a bit lower, maybe. We'll see. I'm happy with it, actually. I'm happy with that. If I get that at 120, I'll go with that. The Shadow Knows. Get back from driving Jennifer to her co-op class, grabs in his comfy chair. This is a message just coming from Bill. There we go. Grabs his comfy chair and he waits in the corner for the bell. Yes, indeed. We've got just 8 minutes to go. Just under 8 minutes to go now. And we can see that Rivian is dropping again now. If Rivian hits 121, 50, 60, 70, somewhere around there, that order I placed will go through. So let's see if it happens. Down 5% today. That's not bad. So there we go. Let's watch it. We're very, very close now. If we look over on the chart as well, it's Rivian's chart. Let's see. There we go. We're just seeing a bit of buying coming in. Bought a few Nvidia. Good idea. I think it's a great company. Got a lot of potential, of course, with all these EVs and so on. Let's look at the chart. See, it's just dropped back, and now we're just seeing a little bit of buying coming in to Rivian. I might not quite get this. Oops, it's very close now. It's about 30 cents away. 30 cents away, something like that. Remember, if you do a limit order and you're prepared to pay $10 for something, it won't exercise until it just goes below. There needs to be a little bit of room there, so you need to just bear that in mind if that's what you do. Right, 122. Right, 121.88. There we go, it purchased. It purchased, there we go. As soon as it went below, it purchased it. So there we go. I now have 22 shares of it. So there you go. I said about 6%, down 6% now. So there you go. That's where I am with that now. All right. We've got a purchase now of Rivian. Let's see where we can go and see if it starts to come up today. SPCE is up today. That's good. I'm still down quite a bit with that one. Gores Guggenheim, I'm up as well today, 1.6. That's good. Lucid is down right now. I've got 138 shares there with Lucid. I'm very happy with that position. I don't really need to do anything there right now. Robinhood has popped up this morning to up 0.97 to 29.27. Keep an eye on. Let's have a look. Maybe I'll buy some Apple today. I've got $214 now in available. Shopify has continued to pump 0.94. Just coming up to 5 minutes before the bell goes. Smash the like button if you just joined us. Click subscribe and ring the bell. Thank you very much indeed. We're trading live here this morning, and everything you see here is live. And it's our real money with a great team. And Tesla's now just dropping back slightly, so I made a bit of money there. Very happy with that. I bought some Rivian as it drops. Now it may pop up today. Now we thought we'd found a new bottom around here, but it didn't. It's continued to drop. So we had some resistance here as well. but we're continuing to fall. Hasn't yet found its bottom, of course. It's hyped, overpriced at the moment. Apple, see if we can buy some stock at the moment. It's just pumping up 0.73. If you look over there on the iPhone, look on the Robinhood app, we're now up 0.72 on the pre-market. This is a lot of interest coming in with Apple and Lucid, of course. This potential rumour of them linking up together. I'm quite happy with that so far with Rivian. If I go back to the trade look, that's just moved up slightly, so not too bad. I like where I'm positioned there. I think that could pop up, and I'll make some money and then catch it on the fall again, because I don't think it's settled yet. I don't think it's found its price. Harpoon Therapeutics, there we go. No trades yet. Always normal. On again is up. On semiconductor. Been talking about this stock for ages. All these cars need semiconductors. So get yourself some on. This is just continually rising. Rolls-Royce down nearly 3% today. Boeing is up 0.55. Good morning, all. Good morning, Dr. Nathan Smith. Lovely to have you here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thanks very much for being here. I got some Schwab. I got my Schwab sorted. Chains are off. I'm free. How is everyone? How is everyone? There we go. Answer the question. How is everyone? I'm very well. Dr. Smith. Monday morning, always a little bit of dust to get going, a little bit of cobwebs to get going, but it's all good. Right, the portfolio now, if we look at it, we are up 0.24, back through the 56 again now, which is good. So that's not bad at all. Shopify, you got a top tip, and it was absolutely spot on. Tesla, I've just sold a share of Tesla this morning and bought the Rivian dip. There we go. Hopefully it'll continue to pop up. I just bought myself another 8 shares. I now have 22 shares in that now, in Rivian. So it's very, very exciting. I'm fired up. Doc, thanks for everyone. Lovely stuff. Let's put that on the screen. I'm fired up. Good. Monday morning, fired up. There we go. Rivian looks quite a good little play. I hit the bottom there. Let me see if I can sell those 8 shares. Let me see if I can sell those 8 shares. All right, I bought them at 122, so I've made $16 right now. Need $17. Let's see if I can pop up a little bit now and get some money out of Rivian again. Let's see if that's possible. If you just joined, just smash the like button and of course subscribe or ring the bell. Want to welcome our audience today who are listening to me for the very first time on my podcast. I've got a new podcast. I've got 2 actually, one for the day trader and one for my Martyn Lucas music. So if you want to listen to me on the radio while you drive home with the music, or you want to hear stocks and shares, you have 2 podcasts, and the links will all be below this video. Wonderful stuff. Right, $124 a share now, down. It was down as much as, so we look at it, it was down 5.5%. We've just popped up 2%. So we're 3.5% now, so that's nice. Glad to see that ASTR is up after their successful test flight this weekend. What about Rocket Labs as well? Thank you for mentioning space to us. That made me realise. What about Rocket Labs? Did that do anything? I've got 15 shares. Yeah, we're up 0.26 this morning on Rocket Labs. That's interesting. We'll keep that open as well. So we've got that available. There we go. Let's go, and we're looking at Rivian now to see if we can make some money. Virgin Galactic is now up 1%. Good. GGPI is up and taking off. Very, very nice. Up nearly 2.5% this morning. Lucid this morning is down 4%. But I'm still, with this one, I'm just kind of letting it sit there. I'm at 50% up. Plenty of money in it. I don't mind it dropping, it's up and down, but that's fine. That's just good growth for me. Good growth. Robinhood Markets is up 0.31 at the moment. I'm still down 10%. Apple is jumping all around. Okay, the bell has gone. Let's have a see what happens now. Here we go. Let's go back over to price of Rivian is trying to pop up. SPCE is popping up 1%. Shopify is now flat at the moment. RKLB, Rocket Labs just dropping back slightly to 0. Lucid has a lot of growth. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Just down only 4% this morning. I've got 138 shares of that one. Rivian, I'm keeping an eye on it. I just managed to buy a big dip. Let's see if it drops again. We got our friends from Italy coming in now. Here we go. Here is Patricia. Hi, Martin. Good morning. On beginning of the week. Yes, indeed. Alicia is here as well. How wonderful. They are both here. Very happy to see you as always. Good morning to everybody. Fantastic. Welcome, welcome, welcome. 16 likes now. Okay. Once we get 20, the family will all be here. So it's looking good. Let's see where we go this morning now. Tesla, I just sold one share. Now it's just dropped. I'll buy another one in a minute. If I can just get some money out of Rivian, let's see what happens. I'll buy back into Tesla if we get a dip. Let's see what happens. There's Rivian just dropping back a bit now. Oh, is it going to go even lower? It has loads of potential to go lower, of course. We don't know when the bottom will come. Apple is soaring, by the way. Apple is up this morning. It's a time look at Apple this morning. My buying power, I've got nothing really left in my buying power at the minute. But Apple is making a big push up this morning. Let me show you. We're up 1.3%. Apple is doing it's behaving like a growth stock right now. It's getting a lot of action. Look at 8% this week. That's Apple doesn't do that. Apple doesn't do that. It's behaving like a growth stock. So there we go. Keep an eye on Apple this morning. Tesla's now moving up again, nearly 3%. Ooh, big pump this morning on Tesla. I just sold a share of Tesla. I'm glad I didn't do any more. But had a good lift off this morning. Let's have a look. I bought some more Rivian. There it is, continually falling. Alexander from Europe is here. Nice to have you here. Thank you very much indeed. All right, I got some wonderful news for everybody today. I'm going to share with you in a few moments. We now have started our very own WhatsApp group chat where people can share breaking news, they can discuss trades, stuff like that. So get ready for your phone. Get your phone ready right now with your camera, and I'm going to put up on the screen the WhatsApp link. Are you ready? Okay, here it comes. Here it comes right now on the screen. There you go. Have a look at that. That's the Day Trader WhatsApp group. If you just scan that with your phone, you can join the WhatsApp group. It's also posted everywhere. The links are all below everywhere. And I'll also put the link. I'll put the link for you on the in the group chat now. Here we go. Here is the WhatsApp group. If you want to be part of this group and discuss, share, all that kind of stuff, you can join the group. It's free. Remember, I don't charge anything here for any services. It's all free. Right, the link's in the chat and it's on the screen. Hope everyone's got that. If you need it again, just let me know and I'll flag it up for you. All right, let's go back to the trading screen a minute. There we go. Oh, Rivian is still falling. There we go. Dropping now, 118, down. Tesla is pumping up this morning. Absolutely awesome. Look at this rise this morning. Wow. Tesla was up nearly 3.5%. Just sold one share of Tesla to buy some Rivian. That's a really bad play, isn't it? It kept on going, and so the two ends went further and further apart. Neo rising. Thank you very much for that. Just posted that into the link. There we go. Neo rising. Let's have a look at the charts this morning. Let's go over to the charts. There we go. You can see Rivian, some selling coming into Rivian now. Let's see if it picks up. Still falling. Still falling. Yes, we all have to do. Yes, we'll have to do that, Martin. Yes, indeed. I gave you the link on the screen. There we go. Still falling. Oh, we know Rivian's going to fall. I've been predicting it. I've said it would, and I've been buying the dips, but I don't think I've timed it perfectly because it could go all the way down to $50. This could. It will come back, of course, but people will buy in. They want to be in on this company. I'm down $250 with it now. Let's have a look what SPCE is doing. SPCE is up today. That's very good. GGPI is up today. Lucid is taking a big tumble this morning, down 6%. This could be a big sell-off before the buyback. Wow! Look at the sell-offs coming in now in Rivian. This could be a big collapse. What about Sev? Anybody get into Sev? We bought the dips. How's this going? This is down 8% today. There's a lot of opportunity now to enter these markets, guys. If you've got money on hand, got to get it from somewhere. I mean, sell something you've made a lot of money on, and think about it because there's a lot of money coming in now. Keeping an eye on the chart. Those people that did the cashback through Amazon, I've got some money to give to people today. It's starting to come in. Your orders that you placed on Amazon. Remember, we do a cashback service here on Amazon, and so I do have some money to share with people. I do have some money. We've got some money to give away here this morning. If you ordered something through Amazon, tell me what it is, and I have now got it to give to you. I have now got some money to give to some people. Message me. Let me go back to the chart. Rivian is now lifting back up again. Let me know what it is you purchased, and I will cross-reference that and give you some money back. Wow, Tesla's now pumping up 4%. Big time for Tesla this morning. Up nearly 4%. As you can see, in the last hour, we've suddenly got a big push. We're still down on the day, very, very slightly, but we're starting to lift off now. Rocket Labs is up today, 0.39. Shopify is up 0.28. Just dropped back very slightly. Tesla is absolutely on fire this morning. Let's have a look at the Tesla chart and see how much. We've had a huge candle just come in. A huge buy-in just come into Tesla a few moments ago. Let me share with you. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that for a candle. That's huge. The average volume for Tesla in a day is 30 million. We have had 3 million trades already. But someone had just put a huge amount of money into Tesla. So we've just seen a huge rise here this morning. We're up 4.5% now. Rivian is now recovering. $121. What was it down here? And 119. That's Mr. Musk buying back. I wouldn't be surprised. Oh, nice. You got in on. No, I'm not in on Shopify. No, it's not one of my stocks. I'm just showing you. I'm just showing you because Julius Caesar told us about it, gave us a top tip on it, and it's just dropping back slightly, but it's up today so far. So there you go. You were given a tip today to make some money. Tesla now hitting 4% and just dropping back at that. Huge push up this morning for Tesla. I'm thinking of selling a stock of Tesla right now, and then have some money on hand. Nvidia is up 3.33%. Let me share that with everyone. James, no need to apologise, mate. No need to apologise at all. Thank you for sharing that, Julius Caesar. Rivian now is down at 119. This is your chance to get into Rivian. I don't know if I really want any more, though. It's 4% of my portfolio. And Tesla, if you look at Tesla, that's 19% of my portfolio. I might sell another share of Tesla at this price. Or is it lifting again? Let me go over to sell Tesla. One share of it. Have some more money on hand. Blink is down 5.4%. I've just sold one share of Tesla. Now have 8. I now have what should I look at now? Let's sell low. Look, the portfolio now is $1,300 in cash to buy. Let me have a look. Some more buying coming into Tesla. Yeah, huge candles this morning coming into Tesla. 1,300 now on in my account to buy. So I've got $1,000. Let's put it that way. Rocket Labs is now falling. Shopify is now falling back. Tesla is now riding high at 3.91. Rivian is now down at 120. SPCE is now down. Is up. Where are you going to go next? Lucid is down 4% today. Go Tesla, yes. But dropping back, I just took some profits off the top. Robinhood is down today 1%, nearly 0.86. We're down. Total return now is 11% now. I wonder I could buy some more Robinhood. I think this is going to pop up when the wallets come out, and as you know, I'll be one of the first to test it. And that's because the reason why I'll be one of the first to test the wallet is because they're rolling it out from the top to the bottom. The people that ordered it first, pre-ordered it. I mean, people pre-ordered it. We've got 58,000 now on Bitcoin. If you look at it, Bitcoin today is up 1.29 as well. We're having a good push for Bitcoin today. If you see that, it's pretty good, right? And if I show you what I mean by that. See, I'm 4,009.91 on the list to get the crypto wallet. 4,091, right at the top of the list. Over 1.5 million have registered for this, and they're starting from the top, working their way down. And so hopefully I'll be one of the first and I'll be able to bring it to you exactly what it's like. And I do expect it to promote Robinhood's stock. All right, if you've just joined us, smash the like button and, of course, subscribe and ring the bell. That'd be absolutely great if you could do that for me. Let's go back and look at space, just dropping back slightly. Rivian, it's just down slightly today. Well, it's down 6% now. Starting to pop up now. I think there's an opportunity here to for it to grow again. It looks like we might have hit some resistance now at this price. I bought the dips. I've got 22 shares in it now. Tesla is now just dropped back and threatening to go again. Up 4.14% today. 4.26, 4.3, pushing up. Tesla's now 17% of my portfolio. Let's have a look at the other stocks. Boeing down 1% today. Apple is doing very well, up at 1.8. 1.8. Apple is now behaving like a growth stock. And it doesn't typically grow that much. It has a dividend as well, remember. But it's doing very, very well. I'm actually looking to get to make some money and to catch it, get this on the dip again. Mind you, at the minute there are no dips. Apple is just straight up. I would like to get a slight pullback here and get myself some Apple. Right, I'm up today now, 0.01. Which is good. I would like to remember on Thursday the markets are closed. We won't be here on November the 25th. Thanksgiving, of course, here in the United States. So I won't actually be online that day. No point. The markets are closed. Can't do anything, right? Shopify now down. Need 2%. Big drop in Shopify. Did you sell the top there? Rocket Lab's dropping back. Tesla is still taking off, guys. I've made a terrible trade this morning. I've sold 2 shares of Tesla this morning. One at 4%, now one just under 4%, I think. So which is great. I'm up, but we're continuing to push up. But I did it to buy the dips in Rivian. Let's see if that was a good move. Well, Rivian is now pushing up, so maybe it was. We'll see. I bought a lot more stock of Rivian. I now have 22 shares in it. It's now 4.95% of my portfolio. All right, let me post that to you again. We now have the WhatsApp group chat. Please keep all the chat on point, on topic of the Day Trader channel, stocks and shares, investing, money, Bitcoin, crypto. Keep it on that because people are tuning in to chat about all those things. So there is the link in the chat. I've given it to you, but I've also got here is the link as well. Let me bring this up to you now. If you get your phone right now, open the camera and just take a picture of zoom into the screen. I'll give you 10 seconds just to zoom into that. That's the WhatsApp group if you want to be part of that. And the WhatsApp group as well is probably a great place to message me about the products that you bought with Amazon. And then I've got money to give today to people that purchased Amazon products. So there we go. Take it off screen now. Hopefully you got that. GGP up 5.8%. Rivian is now lifting up again. So there we go. That wasn't a bad investment. Need to get to work. Happy Thanksgiving, Martin. John Brunette. Lovely to... I also sold Tesla and bought Lucid and Rivian. Fantastic. John, me and you did exactly the same thing. So I feel good now. I was feeling a bit bad seeing it all pumping up so much, but there we go. John Brunette did exactly the same thing as me. So that's good. He bought some Lucid and Rivian. That's good. Julia Caesar and happy Thanksgiving to you as well, and everybody else here in the United States, of course. Julia Caesar, Nvidia just hit 4.88. Great. There's a possible link here with Lucid as well. Right, let's go over to the day now, up 0.49. You can see my portfolio is lifting off. Rivian now coming back. So I'm very close now to making some money with Rivian. Wonderful stuff. And Virgin Galactic is up. Gores Guggenheim is up 6%, everybody. Gores Guggenheim taking off. This is the new stock linking up with Polestar. This is a new merger about to happen. So look at this. We had this tip from, of course, Muzanella. Muzanella gave us this tip. I have 20 shares in this now, and this is doing very, very nicely today. There we go. Julia, are you in Roblox? Julia, are you in Roblox? I'm not right now. Wow, 7% and pumping. Gores Guggenheim, what is the news? What is the news breaking this? There's something happening here with Gores Guggenheim up 7% today. A really big takeoff here. How high will it go? How much do you want to make before you sell that? That's fantastic. Lucid, now lifting off this morning. Rivian just holding back slightly. Tesla still climbing at 4.71. Tesla, big day for Tesla today. No, I'm not. But I will take a look. All right, Roblox. Tesla is still lifting off. I'm glad I'm still in it. I'm in Gores, Gores. Let me post that so everyone can see it. Wonderful stuff. In fact, I just had a thought, by the way. For those of you that have purchased items now in Amazon through my link, that I want to give you your cash back. Probably be better actually if you just text me rather than putting it in the group chat. The group chat on WhatsApp is all things to do with the show. Not personal things like what you bought on Amazon. So let me give you my cell phone. There it is. It's in on the screen now. Most of you have got it. If you text me with what you ordered, I've now got some items that have come through where I'm looking to give you some money. And how I do it is I'm either going to Apple Pay you the money or Google Pay for you if you've got an Android. Okay? So that's how we're going to send you the money. So let me know in a text what you purchased. I will cross-reference that with my affiliate program and give you that money. All right. We're still giving away eToro $10 in cash. I will send you via Apple Pay or Google Pay. There is the eToro referral. If you sign up to that, you get that. And if Robinhood, you can use this one as well. We're still giving away free stocks to Robinhood. There is that one. And if you... no, I haven't got that ready yet. I was just thinking out loud. I apologise there. I was thinking out loud. Oh, today, happy Thanksgiving to you, Martin. It's not today, it's on Thursday, right? On Thursday. And Paddy wishes everybody a happy Thanksgiving. That's on Thursday. Tesla's now up just shy of 5%. Big pump today on Tesla. Absolutely great. Rocket Labs is up 0.23. Shopify now dropping back and now pumping up again. Tesla is now just shy of 5% up. Rivian is now had a move up. We were down at 1.7%. We're now up down 3. So we just gained 4% now. I'm down just 5%. I've been buying all these dips. Tesla is up. As you can see now, over 1% now. My portfolio is up 1%. If I share with you on the screen, there we go. We're up 1% now. Very, very good. I'm looking to make some profit from Rivian this morning. SPCE finally making some money here this morning. Nice. SPCE this morning. Let's see what happens here. I'm down maybe $2,500 on this one because I reset it. But it shows only 368 down, but actually nearly $2,500 down on Virgin. This won't happen. This won't pop up really until January. But come January, then things will look very, very different. Very, very different. Thank you very much, Balasia. Balasia has messaged me about what he purchased. I'm going to keep people's purchases private. I'm not going to tell people what everybody purchased. All right? Okay. So if you purchase something, let me know via the text, and I will then give you the money. Your item, Richard, hasn't been dispatched yet, so I haven't got the cash for your item. But as soon as I do, I will send you the money. But let me know. I don't want to keep anybody's money. I want to give you this free money. Right, I'm up nearly 1% now. I'm up nearly 1%. I'm having a good day. Let me have a look at. Let me show you. This is where we are right now. Up nearly 1%. Very, very nice. Remember, the highs were 58,000. All good, Balasir said. Very welcome, mate. So we're watching. Rivian is now coming back up. Tesla is still climbing. Just shy now. Very, very close to hitting 5%. I'm up 1.5%. Right, let's get the scores in. That's the winner so far. Let's see if anyone can beat 1.5%. Put your scores on. Everyone share your scores, whatever they are. And share with us what your score is. And let's see who's the winner today. Balasir. Oh, this could be a winning score, but you've all got to share your scores. Balasir, I'm up 9.4%. 9.4%. Flipping heck, that's a good day. Smash the like button. Brilliant. If you just joined us, smash the like button, up 9.4%. Wow. There you go. Maybe today is the day, Balasir, you book that gig. Fantastic. Free money on the table right now. That's a good chunk of change, isn't it? Wow, congratulations to you, Balasir. Very proud of you. That's very, very impressive. Very, very impressive. Right, there we go. My portfolio is now up. There we go. Up 0.16, just dropped back. Maybe. Let's have a look. 0.5% now. On Rocket Labs, Shopify just dropping back. Tesla, it hit that 4.5 and it's just dropping back a bit. That's a hell of a return today. Hell of a return. Very, very nice. Rivian, I'm still not made any money with Rivian yet. Well, that's, you understand what I'm saying. I made money on the way up. I made money on the way down. I've been buying the dips. My current position is $160 down, but overall, I'm up probably about $600-700 on this one, and I now have 22 shares at a much reduced price, average price of $130. So that's much better than the 178 or wherever it was it hit at one point. So that's pretty good. SPCE now just dropping back slightly. GGPI having a great day, up 6% today. Lucid is making a recovery. We were down this morning with Lucid, but we're moving up again. Robinhood is now finally up today. Good. Okay, I'm still down 10% on Robinhood. Amazon is flat today. Harpoon Therapeutics is down today. Harpoon is now at its probably all-time low. If you think, like I do, that it could pop, well, in fact, it's been lower. It's been 591. That's its probably all-time low. 591, I'd imagine. Yeah, I'd say that's probably its all-time low there. Yeah, 590. It's probably its all-time low there. So it's $1 away from its all-time low. Where was it this morning? It opened, it was down about 6.53. Anyway, On Semiconductor is up 0.39. Rolls-Royce is now flat today. Boeing is now down 1%. I'm 14% down with this now. Apple is doing, oh my God, 2.64. I was going to buy some Apple a minute ago. There's a real big, you know, there's definitely something going on here. I'm going to buy some Apple. Going to buy some Apple this morning. In fact, no, I'm not. Going to wait a little bit. I'm going to wait a bit. Up nearly 3% now, Apple is. No. Do you know what? I'm not going to wait. I'm going to buy into Apple. I'm going to buy into Apple. I am going to buy into some Apple, I think. Let's look at the chart a minute on Tesla while I just verify my ID again. Just verify my ID here with, there we go, done. I've just purchased some Apple. There we go. Let's see what continues to happen here. I've now got 6 shares of Apple, just under $1,000. There we go. Let me share that with you. Just purchased, I've now got 6 shares of Apple. Rocket Lab's having a great day, 1.66. The overall portfolio is now up nearly 1%. Does anybody beat, so our winner this morning, 9.4%. AMD is good again, Alexander. Thank you for that. Morning, Martin. Sam Laidler is here. So is the winner, in fact, I'm not even going to ask. The winner this morning for the opening bell is Balacer, up 9.4%. Let's thank him first of all for sharing his situation. I just got 15 shares of Apple. Yeah. I bought some more Apple. Yeah, I think it's time to get back into Apple. Sit around and wait. You're going to miss the gravy train. So thank you very much for that. Apple's my top tip today. I think we should be in Apple. I think this could explode. Apparently, if you believe what's being said, their valuation of the company could double. So huge amounts of potential with Apple right now. Anyway, congratulations to Balacer. And thank you very much indeed. You are the winner this morning. Nice one. And Dr. Nathan Smith gives you a round of applause as well. All right, my portfolio is lifting up now. Rocket Labs is moving up nicely. Shopify just dropping back now. Congratulations to Balacer. Tesla is now it just dropped back slightly. It's up 4.5% today. Rivian is now trying to push up. I've got 22 shares of Rivian now at SPCE, up nearly 1.5%. Great. GGPI continuing to push up. That's great. I'm in that. Lucid's now making a big push up. Big push, big recovery. We were down this morning with Lucid at minus 12 this morning, minus 12, and now we are pushing up. Lucid is now really pushing, and if you notice, it's doing it in line with Apple. I just got some Apple this morning. I got now 6 shares of Apple in total, $1,000 just under. Balance here. So thank you guys. Hey, it's a massive achievement to be up 9.5%. I mean, that's huge. Great positioning and understanding of the market. Brilliant. Evgo just dropping back this morning. I'm down 15% with this one. I've got a small position here. SEV Sono Group down 20%. I've been buying these little dips, if you like, down 20%. I could buy. Let's have a look at this. Is it worth buying some Sono now? What do you reckon, guys? Let me have a look. How much have I got in my portfolio? What's in my buying power? I got $500. I've got $500. If I buy 5 shares now, I will halve that. I'm going to buy some SEV shares. 5 shares. We'll halve it. 10 shares will virtually wipe it out. 10, that'd be 5%. 10 shares. Oh, it's still going down. Okay. Okay, here we go. I will buy 10 shares of this. Here we go. Buy some more SEV. If I go back to the trading screen, you'll see I've just bought some more SEV, and my loss now has dropped down to 8% now. 8% now. I was down over 22%. So you should invest in Fisker. Fisker is being presented to us here right now. Sono Group, I've managed to buy, I've got 15 shares of that now at just 8% down now. I'm with you. I got 22 more on SEV. Yeah, makes a lot of sense. If it drops again, I'll buy some more. Right, so let's have a look now. We're now up nearly 1% for me now. Rocket Labs is doing very, very well today. I'm up 2.5% there now. Shopify is continuing to fall. Julius Caesar, we had a good tip this morning. It popped right up like she said it would. There was money to be made with Shopify. Did you sell it? The profit, a lot of profit taking. Tesla now is up 4% today. Rivian now is down 4%, but it's pushing up. So there we go. That's good. SPCE having a great day. SPCE having a great day, up 2.25%. Great, love that. GGPI up 7.5%, everybody. Lucid now. Lucid's soaring up 1%. Where's Apple doing right now? Let's have a look at Apple. Apple is up 2.75, just topping out a little bit. I've got 6 shares of that now. Remember, with Apple, you also get a dividend as well. So it's acting like a growth stock, but you've also got 0.53, if you see here, dividend payout as well. So you've got a dividend opportunity here as well. So in a stock that has huge growth plus dividends, it's a really good buy right now. I think so anyway. Evgo dropping down. Sev, I'm now down. I've got some. I might buy some more if this drops any lower. I'm 8% down right now on that one. Right, my portfolio is growing again now. As you know, my all-time high was 58, and we took a bit of a drop back from that, but we're getting very close now. We're at 56.6, getting very close again to the all-time highs. That's very, very good. That's where you want to be. Always breaking records. There we go, looking nice. I like it. So we're watching very closely now on Virgin Galactic, Sev, Tesla, Rivian, all these. There we go, 56.6, lifting off now. Very, very nice. Yep. Over 1% now. Good, good. All right, let's see where we should be moving to now. Bitcoin has had a spurt this morning, but just dropping back slightly, 58,000. Ethereum is up today. You notice the correlation between Ethereum and Bitcoin. They're very, very similar, the way they behave, if you see that there. SEV is now still falling, so I do have some money on hand. I will buy a bit more of this when it drops any more. I want to keep this a very small position. Evgo, I'm down 14%. Apple now is still pushing up, 2.8. Boeing is down 1% this morning. Rolls-Royce up 0.28. On is flat right now. Harpoon Therapeutics is lifted up 2% today. You've got to be very, very careful with this one. Very, very volatile. It goes up sort of 10%, then drops back down 10%. Up 10%. It's a difficult one. Difficult one to buy into, this one. I've got one share in it, and it's one of those frustrating things because it could do really well, but it's so difficult to make money on it. Amazon is just down 0.37. Robinhood this morning down 0.93. Lucid is up 2.5% now, doing very, very well. GGPI up 6%, everybody, doing great. Virgin Galactic still up 1.62. Rivian just down 4.99. I still think this was a good buy this morning. Let's look at Rivian's chart and let's have a little look. We had some huge. In fact, we had a lot of profit taking, a lot of people selling, and then a lot of people buying back in again. You can see it here. Right, let me show you. Really big candles, huge sell-offs, and then huge buybacks. So people taking profits, dropping the price down. Just to get back in again. Balasair says, go Apple, go. Yeah. What's your position now with Apple? Whoa, we're really lifting off now. I've got 6 shares of it. Apple's great, doing very, very well. Let's have a look. Balasair just bought into this because we've got rumours that Lucid are going to team up with Apple. Remember, buy the rumours, sell the news. It could happen. There's a lot of information around it. Let me share with you that news I broke this morning. This is the news I found this morning. This brings us to the crux of the matter. A recent interview of Lucid Motors CEO Peter Rawlinson with Guardian has provided substance to potential tie with Apple. In that interview, Mr. Rawlinson declined to comment when asked point blank if the company had been approached by Apple. This refusal to comment has rightly become the subject of interest in social media circles. and there's a Reddit post about it there. In fact, that Mr. Rawlinson did not explicitly deny the contact between Lucid Motors and Apple over a potential partnership is very significant. In fact, the single development has elevated this rumour from the rank of the flimsy to that of the probable. Given the similar design philosophy of Lucid Motors and Apple, it's not hard to imagine how the rumours of a partnership between the two began doing the rounds. After all, both companies claim to market refined products that scream luxury. Moreover, both view themselves as disruptors in their respective tech sphere. As to what shape this potential partnership might take, it's quite uncertain. Apple is expected to tap the joint venture between Magna International and LG Electronics as its key production partner for the Apple car. So there's no confirmation of this yet, but it looks that way. Everything's pointing that way. And remember, if you're going to make money on these things, you've got to be in it before it actually, the news breaks. So buy the rumor, sell the news is a good statement that's used a lot. Oh, look at my portfolio now, rising up now. Where's this pushing from? Virgin Galactic is now up 1.73. GGPI up 5.59. Lucid is now on fire, 3.53. And also Apple, I would imagine. Yeah, Apple is doing the same thing. These two are now joined at the hip. They're both pumping up this morning, and so is Tesla. My portfolio is now up 1.15. We're about to get through that 57,000 again. Remember, my 58 was my all-time record, even if it was only for a few moments. Because my next target is 60,000. I want my portfolio to reach 60,000. Remember, I'm doing it by not adding any money. I'm doing it by trading. I'm not adding any money. Shopify now dropped back 1.75. Tesla's doing very, very well. Up 4.5% here this morning. Big growth here with Apple up 3% now this morning. Look at that. Rivian just flat at the minute. We also looked at SEV for opportunity there. It might have got a bit of resistance there. It's hit something. Look, I'm down 8%. Let's see if we can get a bit more with SEV. Of course, this IPO'd last week, huge lift-offs, and now we're coming back to something normal. So not a bad time to get in if you believe in this technology. Remember, it doesn't sell any. It's not manufacturing the cars. It's licensing the technology, and that's to have a car made out of solar panels. It's got to be a good thing. Apple up 3%, still pushing up forward. Let's look at it on the month. On the month, we're at 11%. If we look at it over the year, it's not that 40% in a year. Now they're saying this stock could double. All right. If we look over at 5 years, 500% in 5 years. But 40%, and most of that's come. Look, 10% of that's come in the last few weeks. Yeah, 11%, 11.5% in the last 3 months. A lot of growth here with Apple. Rivian dropping back. Tesla still holding. SPCE just dropping back slightly. Great stuff. So we're coming to the end, the latter part of today's show. So a couple of things, first of all, to mention, very, very important. First of all, if you want that free stock of Robinhood, available in the US only, there is my referral. I will share with you what I get. You get a free stock. If anybody, this is all over the US and also Europe and the UK, is watching, wants me to refer eToro, they give me a bit of money for referring you. But unlike other influencers who keep the money, I want to give you some of it back. So I'm going to give you $10 if you set up an eToro account, and I will Apple Pay you or Google Pay you, whether you're Android or iPhone. That's how I'll do that. So let me know when you've done that. Queen of Self Braiding is here. Lovely. Let's bring her up on the screen. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We've got 16 likes right now. So before we go, can we get up to 20 likes? That would be great. If you're watching on the repeat, hello, hello, hello. And if you're also watching or listening now on our podcast, thank you very much for tuning in wherever you are. Drive safe if you're in the car. If you'd like to join the WhatsApp group chat, it's where we talk all things, and please keep it on topic, please. Just talk about trading, the day trader, what you're investing in, stock tips, all that kind of stuff that everybody would find interesting. It's where I learned about Apple. Balasair sent me some information, Bill sent me information, and I shared it into that group. So follow that. If you get your phone to hand right now, aim your camera at the screen. Here we go. Here is the Day Trader WhatsApp group. If you aim your phone at the screen now with the camera, you will go straight into the group. You can leave at any time. It's a free service, but you'll learn about stocks. You'll learn about what everyone's trading in. People are already joining the group and sharing information with everybody. So there you go. I'll leave that on the screen for 10 seconds. If you want to get into that, just aim at the screen. Big movers today are NIO, Tesla, Fisker, AMD, and Nvidia. There we go. Please, Julia, share that into our WhatsApp group. Join that. Okay, everybody got that? Fantastic. I hope you've all got that. All right. There you go. Share that with everybody, and it'd be lovely to have you. If, on the other hand, you have been using my Amazon referral link, remember I gave you my Amazon shop, bookmark this, and this is your free money with Amazon. I'm literally giving people the 50% of the referral fee I get back from Amazon. Another way to make money here on the Day Trader. It costs you absolutely nothing, but if you bookmark that as your link to Amazon, then when you purchase something, I get a small commission. I'll tell you some of those ledgers that three of you bought the other day. Right, it's nearly like, I think it's 3.5%, 4% commission on those now that I get. So I will give you 2% back. So a lot of money to come back. If you bookmark this and buy all your stuff through Amazon, through my Amazon link, doesn't cost you anything at all. They don't upprice it or upscale it, upcharge it or anything at all. And then once you've purchased those items, you need to text me what you've ordered. And once the money comes through, I will either Apple Pay you or Google Pay you straight back 50% of the commission I get. So I'm basically a cashback service for Amazon. There is the cell phone on the screen and in the chat. All right, everybody got that? Great. Wonderful stuff. So let's go back to the stocks now. Where are we? We're now up. Just dropped back slightly. I was up over 1%. Just 0.9 now. 56.6. Let's have a look. Rocket Labs is up, is soaring, up 3.61. Great. Did you get your stock when this was down? I got 15 in that now. Thank you very much for a cup of tea. Thank you. Shopify dropped back this morning. Did you make profits at its high? Tesla has reached like 5% today. I took some profits there, and I'll get back in with Tesla, I'm sure. Rivian is now dropping again. What's my buying power looking like? I got 352. Rivian. Virgin Galactic is up. Gores Guggenheim having a great day, of course. We're talking about the merger with Polestar imminent, so that's looking good. Lucid up 2.5%. Robinhood just dropping back slightly. Amazon is down 1.5%. Of course, Amazon will be down because Rivian's down, right? I am selling Tesla at 1,200 and we'll get in again. Yeah, I absolutely agree. I've sold 2 shares this morning. Harpoon is flat. On is flat. Rolls-Royce is flat. Boeing is down 1.1. Apple is now still soaring, of course, on the rumor of the link up between Apple and Lucid. SEV is still dropping, so the stock's getting less and less. Blink charging is down 13%. Ethereum is up today 1%. Bitcoin up 1.34. This is the rumor of Rivian and Lucid and Apple linking up together. Let me show you more clearly. Do you know that a lot of the employees from Apple work for Lucid? The whole car is designed as an Apple look. So it's very believable. It could be the Apple car. Imagine that. Imagine that. And you get in Apple now. Apple stock price could double. If Apple suddenly start producing cars, their stock price could double. Another good thing as well, folks. Tesla very soon look like they're going to split the stock, which is why the price might pump up again as well. The price always goes up when they split the stock. So for every 10 you own, you own 100, for example. If I have 80, the price will go up because people can buy contracts. That's why it happens. Rivian just threatening, just holding there today. Doesn't want to go any lower. I'm comfortable with that. I don't want to get any more. SPCE just dropping back slightly. Gores Guggenheim, good day. Lucid, fantastic. There we go. All right. Congratulations to Musanana today, who was our winner today for the day trader of the morning. I'll be back shortly. I'm going to end the show right now. I've got some videos to put out this afternoon, so keep your eye out for those. Thank you ever so much for all of you that joined today. If you're watching on the repeat, click subscribe and ring the bell and thumbs up the video. All my friends who are watching or listening rather on the podcast, thank you very much indeed for being part of that and listening to us on your radio on your drive home or wherever you are in the world. Any news on Robinhood wallets? I've not got any news at all. That's why the stock price isn't moving. In fact, it's dropping back slightly. Let's have a look. Yeah, no news on Robinhood wallets at all. Down at $28 now. We're really falling. The wallets are being rolled out. I will be one of the first to know because I'm right at the very, very top of the list. If you've tuned in and you're wondering what the heck I'm talking about when I say I'll be one of the first to use it, is they're rolling out, it's called the Alpha program, and they're rolling it out to people that registered early. Over 1 million people registered, and as you can see, I'm 4,091. I'm right at the very top of the list. So I'll be one of the very first to get it. I've registered for it. I'm waiting for it. I've got crypto in there. So as soon as I get it, I will let you know. And of course, I'll make a video on it. So if you've rung the bell, you'll be notified when it comes out. And also, of course, we'll start to see the stock price lift off. I would imagine that's what I'm expecting to see, because everybody's been calling for it forever. So this is an opportunity. Kathy Wood has bought a lot of Robinhood, and I think it's a time to get ready for a lift off. And we are now at the lowest price that Robinhood has ever been. We're at the very bottom, as you can see from the chart. Look, we're at the very bottom of Robinhood's price. So if you think that the wallets are going to make a difference, and if you think the business is going to lift off, then I am 7,000. You are 704,000. There you go. So there you go. You'll see how close. You'll see how many people are. 704,000. See, I'm only 4,000. So you can see what I mean. I'm right at the top there. So the Queen of Self-Braiding is at 704,000. So I'll be letting you know what's going on with it. The Queen of Self-Braiding. Hope they do. Can't wait to sell Hood again. Yes, indeed. I feel the same. And that's exactly what I'll be doing as well. Yeah. Yeah, and Robinhood is now down today 1.72. I'm currently down 12.5% with it. I'd have to drop $3,000 to lower that to 6%, and I'm not prepared to do that. It's got to go up from here, and I'm not investing any more in it. All right, my buying power is now 352. We're just dropping back slightly. Let's all return later on for the closing bell. And we're very, very excited because we are just 600 hours away from, watch hours that is, from being a monetized channel. What will that mean is before each video, there'll be a commercial which you can watch or skip. It's entirely up to you. But hopefully I'll be able to earn about $1 a day. It will be about $1 a day. At the numbers we've got right now, that's where it will be when I first go monetized. We'll see. Hi guys, I'm late again, too busy at work. No worries at all. Chak, how are you? Lovely to have you here. It's been a big day today. We've seen Rocket Labs pump up. We've also seen Shopify drop back a lot from its profits. I hope you made money on that one. Tesla had a big pump today, and we are soon to get a split where the price will start to move up again. That hasn't happened yet, but it will happen. It will happen soon. Then the price will get up. So this could be an opportunity to buy in. Tesla will be back to 1,200 this month. Yeah, I'm sure it will. But I think it could dip before it does, because once we hit that split, it will shoot up. So maybe now is a time to get some profits. You know, sell your shares in Tesla perhaps. It'll drop back and then buy back up again. I don't know. I mean, you can decide. Need space to move. It's annoying. Yes, I'm right with you. Virgin Galactic. It's not going to happen until January, February though, is it? You know, I'm down a lot with this one. I'm down probably $3,000 now, approaching $3,000 down with it. I repositioned even though it only shows 397 down. Down about $3,000 because I bought and sold, repositioned, but it's gonna do all right. It's gonna do great, in fact. But we have to wait until the flights resume, right? But yeah, right now it's really low. Later, y'all. Okay, guys, I'll see you all back later. Thank you very much for being here. Join me later on for the closing bell, of course. I look forward to seeing you all. That's going to be a very interesting day today. Get ready for the Tesla split. Get ready for the confirmation that Apple are linking up with Lucid. So there's lots in the market to go. Sev, of course, you can buy the dips. You got Rivian buying the dips. Loads going on. I'll see you all back later. Take care of yourselves and each other.